Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So far for this week, the big news of the week was the Fed Chair Jerome Powell speech at Jackson Hole. Leading up to Friday, the major indexes were trading down on the week, with the NASDAQ heading into Friday down 2% on the week and the S&P 500 down a little over 1%. A lot of people were anticipating a more hawkish continued stance from Jerome Powell, that he might say that he's going to hold interest rates steady with where they are at. And there is also some fears around inflation creeping up and what that might do to the stock market. However, during Powell's speech, which occurred this morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, he did say that they will start to pivot their stance on interest rates slightly. He thinks that the unemployment rate, although it remains low, there is a little bit of job growth slowdown. And right now, they may start to adjust their stance, which many people are reading between the lines there and anticipating an interest rate cut coming in September. After his speech, there is now priced in about a 91% chance that he would cut rates in September, and all three major indexes responded very positively on the news. The Dow hit a new record high, the S&P is trading right around a record high, and so is the NASDAQ. Mega cap tech names also rallied on the news, with Facebook up around 2% and Tesla up around 5% on the day. The other winners for the day this week were financials, as we saw Goldman Sachs, Blackstone, some of these large financial institutions react very positively on the news that we could see some interest rates coming in September. So that's what I've got for this week. Once again, we could see some interest rate cuts happening in September, could see some more elevated pricing. Hopefully, inflation stays in line with where it's been declining for about the past 18 months, but that will still to be determined.